Hi, my name is Sam Kellali. I am the founder of YourFD Accountants. We are accountants that understand, measure and grow our clients. I felt it would be a good idea to bring you some videos that hopefully can give you a bit of education and a few tips on how to improve your profit and efficiencies within your business. My clients, although they're in different sectors and industries, tend to have the same issues, tend to have the same hurdles that they need to overcome. And I thought, how about if I can present them issues and hopefully try and present some solutions to them as well. So this video is going to be about cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. I think most business owners will agree with me there. And it's in particular about credit control and the importance of getting that right. I had a client that came to me a couple of weeks ago, and he came through, sat down, and he said, "Sam, you are the most valuable plumber that I know." And I'm not going crazy. I'm not a plumber. I'm an accountant. But let me explain. He said, "You're the most valuable plumber that he knows because I was able to assist him in helping fix the leak in his bank account." Now, this particular client of mine, I tend to see on a regular basis. I have spotlight sessions with him, and he's got a profitable business. He makes around about £25,000 per quarter before tax and dividends. So he's doing pretty well. The common questions he asks, so every time he sees that profit figure, he's like, "Sam, it's great that I'm making profit on paper, but that profit does not come into my bank account. I do not see that profit in my bank account." And that's a very common question, very common statement that I get told. Now, what actually happened with this particular client, and I know it happens with a lot of businesses in general, is the time taken for his customers to pay was way out of sync in relation to what his terms and conditions were. His terms and conditions would pay after the invoice of 30 days. In reality, that wasn't the case. It was more like 75 to 90, so up to 3 times as many days his customers were taking to pay. He had approximately around about £40,000 of his profit sat in customers' bank accounts. Once we realised this, we looked at ways in which we could improve credit control. We first of all got his bookkeeper involved. She was aware of the situation. She charges by the hour. I think it's something like £20 an hour. So what we did, we gave her a list of all the customers that owed money, and every week she would politely yet firmly chase them debtors. Fast forward 3 months, we're now in a lot healthier position cash flow wise. That £40,000 worth of money, worth of profit sat in customers' bank accounts has now been halved. So he only tends to have on average £20,000 outstanding, which has meant going from 90, 75 days down to around about 45. So still not quite at the 30-day mark, but we're certainly making progress. What's that's done? Like I said, it's improved his bank balance by an average of £20,000, much more in line with the profit that he's making every quarter. We can all be plumbers within our own businesses. We can all look to fix the leak in our own business bank accounts. I would suggest you look at ways, in particular credit control. That's always a good one to start off with, and that will certainly over time improve your bank balance, hopefully in line with your profits. So that's Sam, YourFD. We are accountants that understand, measure and grow our clients.